All right, friends, this is,
That's what I do, I solve problems.
we're gonna draw 6 shots to the A zone. 6 shots to the A zone.
Mountain Man Medical has name brand proven trauma medical supplies with a price match guarantee to ensure you get the right gear at the right price. Check them out at get-asp.com/mountainman.
All right. Load and make ready.
Load and make ready.
Yep, good.
Nice, Hannah.
Good.
It's hard. We move on our body.
13, but you really gotta.
Yeah.
So, listen up. This one's real easy to get caught up with what your neighbor is doing. So make sure you're getting your shots. If your neighbor's blasting 6 down real fast, you do not have to keep up with them. Make sure you're getting your shots. Go at the pace where you can get your shots on target in the A zone. Are we ready? Get set, up. Nice. Good job. If you need to reload and get those other 6 rounds in, go ahead and do so. You got it, Sarah? Got it. Good job.
She's a pro.
She is. Even had it in her zipper pocket. So Soleil's doing it the old-fashioned way. Good.
She lives in an unfree
I
environment.
see that.
She lives in Hawaii, they're all revolvers.
All right, get set.
Okay. Stand by.
Up.
You just need to
Unload and show clear. All right, guys. Eyes and ears. 10
Everybody.
10-round mag. And line 1. 9 people out of line 1. Step up. You ready?
Line one, go ahead and step up. Everybody, we want all the targets filled. So I'll give you my sheet.
Are you a friend?
I'm friend.
Oh, she's scrappy. Okay.
Are you on one?
Patty's my friend.
Oh, you're the friend. Okay. Relay one. Relay one.
All right, relay 1. Step up.
We got one more. One more. I'm coming. Oh, you're the friend. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Actually, no, here we go. Take a step to your left. Step up right here.
1, 2 to the head, and then the 6.
You got it. I'm going to talk you through each one. I'm going to talk you through each one.
She's done this before, I think.
All right, guys. Eyes and ears.
Cheers, everybody.
Only this person is shooting. No one else draw when there's a beep.
But we're not paying any bit of attention to you at all. At all. All right, draw to the body, 1 shot. Load and make ready. Perfect. Got it. All right, 1 shot to the body. Shooter ready. Stand by. Nice. 236.
2.36.
You got it. 1 shot to the body. Stand by. Nice. 195. Good. 2 shots to the head. 2 shots to the head. Stand by. Three, 5, 4. The bill drill. You ready? 6 rounds. Stand by. Sweet. 539.
Yeah, very good.
And then just write down down 1.
Down 1.
Or just write like -1.
Where?
Twice as fast on that bill drill.
So on
'cause
this
you were
next
putting all of
line?
them in a hole like that.
It's 50 points total,
Yeah,
right?
so 49.
So it's 49 on that point.
Nice
there.
job. All right, Brian.
All right. Alex, load and make ready.
So then I'll hang on to Okay, it. great. Come to your bed. Great, thank you.
You were ready, weren't you? You're like, that was sweet.
I even got my message.
I know. Oh.
1 shot to the body. Stand by. 128.
I do have one. Here.
1 shot to the body. Stand by.
Do you have somebody to write for you? Okay, perfect.
Sorry.
138. And way up. 2 to the head.
Did you catch that?
Stand by.
Okay. Yeah, I was going to tell you that he. Okay.
238. Bill drill. Draw and fire 6. Stand by.
Nice.
148. Emergency clear.
All right, load and make ready. Perfect. 1 shot to the body. Stand by. Good. 1.4. 1.4.
Well, that makes sense.
Stand by.
Slow down and get your hits done. I want a new trainer.
149. Nice. 2 shots to the head. 2 shots to the head. Stand by.
Yes.
239. This is your bill drill. 6 shots. Get set. Stand by. Nice. 323.
Is there a reason he's not here? Yeah, we
47.
kidnapped him and